guys, welcome to this channel, The Sun Bless, and the reading which I am having today is for you, Virgo. This reading is for Virgo for their career and relationship, that how in this month their career and relationship is going to work in this upcoming month, May 2021. So first we will look at some cards for your career and then we will look for your cards in your relationship. So I would like to tell you first that this is a general reading, so watch it generally. You can watch out this reading by any of the signs, sun sign, moon sign, Venus sign, by whichever sign this reading is resonating with the most. So first we have already shuffled your cards for your career for the month of May 2021, and the first card that we are having is Two of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, Four of Cups, the magical card, the Magician, and the World. So Virgo, in this month of May 2021, your cards are indicating from the past energy which I am getting, past से energy जो मुझे feel हो रही, that you are unsatisfied, somewhere a corner of unsatisfaction is present in your heart. कहीं ना कहीं आप unsatisfied हैं. आपने past में you have put a lot of efforts, बहुत सारी मेहनत की थी for anything we can say, in your business, in your for a job, for examination, किसी भी चीज़ के लिए आपने बहुत सारी आपके करियर में एफर्ट पुट किए थे, बट आपको उतने अच्छे जो रिजल्ट्स हैं वो नहीं मिले. सो समवेयर यू आर अनसेटिस्फाइड, but in the second half of this month I can see that somewhere a very positive energy, very positive change I can feel, that the card is presented here, the Magician, for the card Magician, and the word is present over here, which is representing that somewhere a magic is going to take place in your life, in your career, that is going to change everything, हर चीज़ को वो चेंज करने वाला है. एक पॉजिटिव चेंज आने वाला है जिसमें आप किसी भी चीज़ में अगर एफर्ट्स आप पुट कर रहे हो या आपने पास्ट में पुट किए थे, तो आपको बहुत सारी जो है वो अच्छे रिजल्ट्स मिलते हुए मैं देख रही हूँ इन दिस मंथ ऑफ मे. एंड लास्ट वी आर हैविंग द कार्ड ऑफ द वर्ड, which means we can say that God is blessing you in this month. In this month we can say that God is blessing you for your past deeds, for your past hard work that you have done. Likewise we can say in this month, Virgo, God is very much happy for you. So he is providing you like a shower of blessings, a shower of magic, a magic which is going to which is meant to make your life like magical. Here we can see in the starting month he was trying to make the balance between the two things, maybe in your career and the other various things that are present. Here we can see a person who's making a balance, किसी भी दो चीज़ों में बैलेंस बनाने की वो कोशिश कर रहा था, but still after making a lot of balance, अच्छे से बैलेंस करने के बाद, मेहनत करने के बाद भी वो कुछ unsatisfied सा face we can see over here, that the person who is standing in a very unsatisfied type of manner, he is standing, but he is here also you can see that a person is sitting in a very sad mood, he is maybe tensed, unsatisfied. But here we can see there is a hand in the sky. Here we can see a hand in the sky out of the clouds, having a cup in his hand, representing that maybe the god is blessing you in this month. The god is providing with the cup of the Four of Cups, is providing with the Four of Cups the magic in which you are going to do, you can do whatever you want. Here we are having the words card, which is showing that this month is very much going to prove very much supporting for you, because God is supporting you in this month. So I hope that this reading of mine resonates to you, Virgo. So let's see some of your cards for your relationship. So Virgo, here are your cards for your relationship for the month of May. आपका जो मई मंथ में जो रिलेशनशिप है वर्गो, वो कैसा रहने वाला है, इस रीडिंग में आप इस चीज़ को देख सकते हैं. सो आई वुड लाइक टू रिपीट दैट दिस इज जनरल रीडिंग, सो वॉच इट जनरली, and this reading can be cross watches also. It may happen that this reading resonates by your partner, not by you, or it may happen that this reading resonates by not by you, it can resonate by your partners also. So the card set we are having for your relationship, Virgo, the first card that we are having is the Devil, Four of Swords, Six of Swords, Seven of Swords, Magician, and eight. Sorry, the Strength. So okay, the very first energy which I'm getting in your for your relationship, Virgo, in this month of May is of Devil. Here also you can see a devil is sitting over here, which is representing itself a very fearful kind of thing we can say, see here. And the second card we have is, you can see a hardworking person. A hardworking person, some sort of unsatisfaction we can say. He's tense, he's intense, he's depressed of past things. And here the third card we can see a person who is having his head at back side. You can see a person who is facing toward the back side. Maybe he is feeling something for his past, maybe he's feeling some energy toward his past, maybe he's missing something in the past, maybe he has done so, he has maybe enjoyed very much in the past, he has very much good memories we can say, he is having very much good memories from his past, and he is missing those because now he is in the energy of devil and he is not at all satisfied here. अभी जो उसकी एनर्जी आ रही है वो इतनी सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं है बिकॉज डेविल इज प्रेजेंट ओवर हेयर. बट इन द सेकेंड हाफ ऑफ दिस मंथ लाइकवाइज द कैरियर की तरह ही सेकेंड हाफ ऑफ दिस मंथ इज़ वेरी मच गुड फॉर रिलेशन एज वेल because the card we are having is very beautiful energy like the strength card, which is maybe in this second half of this month is going to provide some strength to your relationship. Maybe if someone of you are waiting for any commitment or waiting for your partners, then you can get fruitful results in this month because as you will not able to feel the magic is going to take place in your life. Likewise in the career, in your relationship also, some strength is going to be, some strongness is going to be takes place in your relationship also, which may make your relationship more powerful, more more stronger than before, more which will have more good memories as compared to before. Because of this magician card, maybe God is going to support you in your relationship also for this month. So Virgo, this was your reading for your relationship, and I hope that this reading resonates to you. Till the time, take care and have a nice day. Please like, subscribe and share my channel.